Welcome back to Credit Laser. Today, we've got a topic that's crucial for anyone looking to boost their credit score and secure a better financial future. We're diving deep into the world of secured credit cards and how they can be a game changer for building credit. But before we get started, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all things finance. If you're facing credit challenges or just starting to build credit, a secured credit card could be the key to unlocking financial opportunities. Let's break down the essentials. So what exactly is a secured credit card? Well, it's a financial tool designed for individuals with limited or poor credit. Unlike traditional credit cards, secured cards require a security deposit, acting as collateral and minimizing the risk for the issuer. This makes them more accessible to those with a less than stellar credit history. Now let's explore the benefits of secured credit cards. First and foremost, they provide a chance to rebuild or establish credit. By using a secured credit card responsibly, making timely payments and keeping balances low, you can demonstrate financial responsibility, leading to a positive impact on your credit score. Another advantage is that secured cards often have lower approval requirements. This makes them an excellent option for individuals who may have been denied a traditional credit card due to a lack of credit history or past financial challenges. All right, you're convinced that a secured card is the way to go. Now, how do you choose the right one? It's crucial to compare various secured credit card offers to find the one that suits your needs. Look for low annual fees, a reasonable interest rate, and a reporting feature to major credit bureaus. Remember, you want a card that will help you build credit effectively without breaking the bank. Once you have your secured card, it's time to use it wisely. Here are some tips for responsible use. First, keep your credit utilization low, ideally below 30%. This means not maxing out your credit card's limit. Second, always pay your bills on time. Timely payments are a key factor in building positive credit history. Additionally, consider setting up automatic payments to avoid accidentally missing a due date. And most importantly, use your secured card for necessary expenses, not as a ticket to impulse spending. Treat it as a tool for financial growth, not as a way to accumulate unnecessary debt. Building credit takes time, but it's essential to monitor your progress. Regularly check your credit report for any inaccuracies or discrepancies. Many credit card issuers also offer tools and apps to help you track your credit score. Seeing improvements over time can be incredibly motivating and reinforce your commitment to financial health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with anyone who might benefit. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay financially savvy.